post styling. Rinses away knots, pre-wash, and post styling. Have you used this post styling?
Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people.
Ladies and gentlemen of the Natural Hair Care Jury, welcome to today's video where I will be comparing two Pre-Poo store-bought products, and I'm going to try to determine, does more expensive always mean better? So today I have two store-bought Pre-Poo products. One is on the more expensive side and one is on the more affordable side. For the expensive Pre-Poo, I have DevaCurl's Wash Day Wonder, and I have done a video on this. I've tried it before. I really like it, but it is $28 for a 12-ounce bottle. Compared to that is a more affordable product, which is the Just For Me detangling treatment, and this was about, I think this was like $6 or $7, and also for 12 fluid ounces. So you can see it is definitely a major price difference. This will be my first time trying this. As you can see, I haven't opened it up yet. This is very gloopy and slimy, but that could be a good thing, especially for a Pre-Poo. And then as a reminder for the Wash Day Wonder, it's like this. So a similar consistency. Y'all know I'm not wasting this. I'm gonna just put it back in the bottle right now because I need to at least take my hair down and part it in two. But y'all know I will be using that. You know I am not trying to waste anything, not even one drop, especially with it being $28. So right now my hair is in a high messy bun. This is slept on, no slap cap, scarf, or nothing like that. This is what I have so far. So let me go ahead and take this down, part my hair in two. I have my water bottle to wet my hair, and then we're gonna go from there. Okay, so first we are going to start with the Wash Day Wonder. It says, before cleansing, smooth onto soaking wet curls in sections, ensuring the product is saturated throughout. Use your fingers to gently detangle from the bottom up. Wash out with your cleanser, then condition and style as usual. It's gentle enough to use on every wash day to make detangling easier. So the first thing I need to do is wet my hair. All right, my hair is soaking wet, and so now let's go ahead and apply the DevaCurl Wash Day Wonder. All right, let's start with about this much. This is very very loose and watery. It does have a kind of perfumey smell, but it's not bad. And even though I slightly finger detangled while I was wetting my hair, already almost on first contact, I can tell where this product is helping me to kind of soften and loosen up, some of the tangles I have in my hair. But I am going to follow the directions, say let it sit for a few minutes. So I'm going to do that. And then my part is not perfect. And then I'm going to go through with one of my detangling tools. Again, this is the DevaCurl Wash Day Wonder 12 fluid ounce bottle for $28. Now, in contrast to what the DevaCurl Wash Day Wonder says, which is to apply it on wet hair, the directions for the Just For Me says apply a generous amount to dry hair before shampooing, distribute evenly, gently detangle from ends to roots, rinse thoroughly. If using after taking down braids or protective styles, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before detangling. For best results, follow with our Curl Piece Ultimate Detangling Shampoo. So this is going to be a difference not only in the products themselves, but the way they are actually applied. So one, the DevaCurl Wash Day Wonder on soaking wet hair, and then two, the Just For Me Curl Piece Tender Head Detangling Treatment will be on dry hair. Now I will say one thing I already wish was different about the Just For Me. I wish that it was in a bottle or another type container where I could dispense it without sticking my hands in it. The Just For Me, I'm gonna have to put my hand in the jar, and I don't like to do that. I think what I'm gonna do actually is pour a little bit into the top and then use it from the top instead of digging my hands in the entire container. I prefer that better. Okay, this is already messy. And since I have to apply it to dry hair and not wet hair, now I would say that would be a plus, more convenient. I don't have to worry about being by a source of water or having a source of water. It doesn't say to section your hair, so I'm not going to section. This feels kind of slimy, gooey. And like I said, that application is a bit messy just because even though I'm not digging my hand into the jar, I still have to pour it from the container top into my hand and onto my hair. So a little bit more involved for the application process, but it is working about the same even on dry hair as the DevaCurl Wash Day Wonder worked on wet hair. It doesn't smell perfumey. It smells kind of sweet, but not really perfumey. And I'm still using the original that I poured in the top. I have to put a little bit extra effort to distribute it, through my hair, as opposed to applying product on wet hair, where it's just a little bit more easier to distribute. I'm gonna take my detangling tool like right now, and I'm gonna go straight through with the detangling after, just a little bit with my fingers, but I'm gonna go straight through with a detangling tool because the Just For Me product did not say wait. And I'm not gonna section or divide. I'm just gonna start from the bottom, and let's see. I'm nervous just because this is on dry hair and I didn't let it sit any minutes at all. I'm just going straight through, so I'm trying to be a little bit careful. But it's not too bad. And remember, I didn't, well, you saw my hair from the time I had it in that high bun to right now. So no real pre-detangling except for with my fingers, and that wasn't really, detangling like talking about it. It's not bad. Y'all know my parts don't ever be straight, so I'm trying to make sure I don't brush hair from the other side. All right, a few little, stopping points, but I mean, I am detangling on dry hair, so, but it's still, it's not bad. And done. Post styling. Rinses away knots, pre-wash, and post styling. Have you used this post styling? This is how much hair I have on the Just For Me side. Not too much. All right, I'm back. Got my clean brush. Let's go ahead with the DevaCurl Wash Day Wonder side. Oh, wow. Yeah, so this is definitely a difference. Oops, those parts. Yep, so, I mean, not even 30 seconds and this is done. Top side. It does say start from the bottom. And I do have a tendency to like start combing and brushing my hair from the top. So something I have to work on, but okay. Done. Let's get it all together. And my hair is kind of long, so sometimes it's hard for me to, comb it from the top to the bottom in one stroke. So, yep. And I'm done. I will say though that the Just For Me side of my hair feels softer and more moisturized, even with it being on dry hair. And maybe on this side, because I did let it sit for a few minutes and my hair started to dry, even though it's still, more wet. But I would say the Just For Me side feels softer and more moisturized. But the DevaCurl side definitely detangled more easily and more quickly. Let's see how much hair I lost on the DevaCurl side. Hardly anything at all. DevaCurl side and Just For Me side. As far as like hair loss during detangling. This is the Just For Me side, and remember this was applied to dry hair without sectioning. I do feel like I had to use a bit more of the product, but I only use what you saw me pour into the cap. I didn't use anything more. My hair feels heavier. It feels more moisturized, and I am pleasantly surprised. It was moderately easy to go through, using this product even on dry hair. So on this side, my hair was wet and it was sectioned, and I applied. Now this was much easier, distributing the product through my hair, and actually the detangle process was like literally seconds. My hair feels lighter. It doesn't feel as soft, but it definitely feels thoroughly detangled. It was very easy, very quick. I'm gonna contribute some of that to my hair being wet. But what I think I'm gonna do the next time I use the Just For Me, I think I'm gonna wet my hair first, and then I'll see, if that evens up the playing field as far as distributing the product throughout my hair, and it being quicker to detangle, even though both sides were definitely a breeze to detangle. All right, so the question that you all want answered: which of the products do I prefer between the DevaCurl Wash Day Wonder and the Just For Me detangling treatment? Which one do I prefer? I would say I like both of them for different reasons. But if I could truly only have one product, I gotta give it to the Just For Me. The price point, the amount of product, the way my hair felt moisturized, it was fairly easy to detangle. Now I have two of these, and as you can see, let me see, I've used this a few times, and I'm just right here. So I have a lot of product to go, and I have another bottle. So I'm definitely going to use, these products. But I think after I finish the second bottle, might be sticking with this, And nothing wrong with the DevaCurl at all. I really like this product. I'm not sorry that I bought it. I'm definitely going to use it all. For the coins though, but that's all I have. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, and all of that other stuff. Remember to judge products, not people. Bye.